Hello everyone, my name is Tanmay and I am a financial markets enthusiast. I welcome you all to my channel Finance with Tanmay. In this video, we are going to discuss post-market session report where we will take a dive into all the important data points that have surfaced in the market today. Before we begin, let's get to the question for the day. Which of the following IT companies is associated with L&T Group? Options are Happiest Minds, Mindtree, Coforge or HCL Tech. Do attempt the question in the comment section. We'll get to the answer at the end of the video. Index action for the day. BSE Sensex and Nifty 50 ended the day with 0.5% increase. Today was the first day for June series and it was again consecutively the highest close for Nifty 50 index. The action in Nifty 50 seemed quite constrained today as Reliance was back in action. So it is worthwhile today to take a look how the components of Nifty 50 perform so that we can understand how the market performed overall so that we can see how different components in the Nifty 50 index perform. Going to the contribution. So if you see today, Nifty ended about 96 points up where Reliance individually contributed around 91 points. So that means that if other stocks would have been flat, Reliance alone would have taken Nifty high up to 91 points. Similarly, a good amount of contribution came from HDFC Bank of 20 points and HDFC about 13 points. The shares that were a drag to the index today were ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finance and TCS. Top gainers and losers in Nifty 50. Reliance made a roar today and the king established his position in the market today with a gain of about 6%. Everyone was waiting on Reliance keenly to break its 2011 and it ended the day well near the 2100 mark. So a good day for Reliance today. Grasim, Adani Ports, M&M and Coal India were some other stocks which witnessed decent gains today. Top losers were Sun Pharma, Bajaj Finserv, Shree Cement, Axis Bank and ICICI Bank. Top gainers and losers in Nifty 500 index. Top gainers were Redington India, Lux Industries, Infibeam, CDSL and Metropolis India. Top losers in the list were Ipca Labs, HEG, Fine Aegis Chemicals and NCC. Since this is the last day of the week, let us take a look at the stocks which outperformed versus the Nifty 500 benchmark over the week. The top among the list is Lux Industries, followed by Dish TV, Schneider, BSE Limited and JTech India. And it is worthwhile to take a look at Lux Industries. So let's get to the chart of Lux Industries. So this is a daily chart of the Lux Industries. And we see that Lux Industries witnessed gains consecutively 5 days in this week. It started the week around 2060 levels, whereas it ended the week at about 3260 levels, which is roughly a gain of about 62%. So those who have Lux Industries in the stock would have a very good weekend. So the weekend to rejoice for the stockholders of Lux Industries. Performance has been magnificent. And the textile industry overall was in focus this week as we saw good gains in Page Industries and other hosiery stocks as well. Active sectors and themes. Nifty Energy, as one could imagine, since Reliance is a part of Nifty Energy, was a top gainer in the sectors today. It gained about 1.41%, followed by Nifty Infrastructure and Nifty PSU Banks. On a broader terms, market was pretty stock selective today, and it was very specific stock selective action where many stocks witnessed some profit booking on account of the fact that we are standing at all times high. So while going back, and since it was a weekend factor also, and since Monday we have an American holiday, the American stock markets would be closed on account of Memorial Day. Many investors were seen to take their profits home, and there was good profit booking seen across different stocks in the markets. So overall, except some key contributors such as Reliance, HDFC Bank, which gave a good show for Nifty 50 index itself, but overall the markets remain kind of flattish, and there was a selling witnessed in Nifty Pharma and the small cap indexes. Futures gainers and losers. Reliance, L&T Finance, CanBank, HDFC AMC and M&M Finance were the top gainers in the future segment. TVS Motors, Sun Pharma, UBL, National Aluminium and MGL witnessed some losses today. While we are here, let us take a look at the Nifty 50 chart. How does it look and where do we stand as end of this week? So this is the daily chart of Nifty 50 index. As we see, this is the highest ever close, second consecutive day for Nifty 50 index. It ended the day around 15,435 mark, and the monthly candle of Nifty 50 index looks pretty strong. It's a pretty strong green candle, but it would be interesting to see how the trade pans out for Monday, as many investors would be looking to book their profits. But let's see how Reliance and HDFC Bank drive on Monday, and let's see where they take the index. So it'll be worthwhile to see how index performs as the US markets are also closed. Coming back to the question for the day, which of the following IT companies is associated with the L&T group? Happiest Minds, Mindtree, Coforge or HCL Tech? The correct answer is Mindtree. Larsen & Toubro Limited holds about 61.03% shares of Mindtree, that is nearly 100 million shares. In March 2019, L&T had acquired 20.32% stake in Mindtree from VG Siddhartha and his coffee enterprise, marking India's first ever hostile takeover bid in the IT space. It later picked up more shares of Mindtree from the open market to raise its holding to over 28%. By the end of June, L&T held nearly 60% stake in the IT firm and completed its takeover. Stay tuned to the channel tomorrow, 29th May, to understand the difference between a multi-cap fund and a flexi fund. A word of caution, whatever data points we discuss in the video should be taken for knowledge and informative purpose only. Do consider your financial advisor before taking any investment or trading decisions. Do hit the like, share and subscribe button if you find the video informative. Stay tuned for the session tomorrow. Thank you, stay safe and stay wise and have an amazing weekend. I'll see you all in the next video.